Hello guys, let's solve this equation. Here we have 8 to the power of 5 minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 7. So now let's make this 8 in the same with the same base as 2 of this side of the equation. You can say 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 8. We have 5 minus x is equal to 2 raised to power 7. Okay, so we have 2, 3 times 5 we had 15 minus x is equal to 2 raised to power 7. Now, this law of logarithm where you have log a raised to power b, it becomes b log a. So we're going to be applying this law here. Now, we can now say 15, okay, this should be 3x, my bad, because 3 times x is 3x, okay? Now, you have 15 minus 3x log 2 is equal to 7 log 2. Now, let's divide both sides by log 2. Divide here by log 2. Divide here by log 2 because we want to cancel it out. This cancel this. This cancel this. So now we're left with what? 15 minus 3x is equal to 7. Now we have minus 3x on the left hand side is equal to what? 7 minus, when it moves, it becomes minus 15. We have minus 3x is equal to 7 minus 15 as well. That's minus 8, right? Now, x becomes minus 8 over minus 3. That is what? This cancels this. That becomes 8 over 3. Then you can convert it as 2 whole number. This 3 times 2 is 6, then 2 over 3. So that is the value of our x. Bye-bye.